Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a stable Wi-Fi network, a compatible phone or tablet, and a VoIP or Wi-Fi calling-capable app. First, enable Wi-Fi and join your strongest SSID. Make sure signal is steady and internet speed meets basic call needs. Next, create or sign into the VoIP account. Verify your identity where required. Once done, install the provider's app or open system, Wi-Fi calling settings, and grant microphone and contacts permissions to allow. Now configure the service. Enable Wi-Fi calling in system settings or activate it inside your VoIP app. Make sure microphone and background activity permission are granted. Then link or set your caller ID, import or allow access to contacts, and configure SIP/account parameters if using advanced clients. Once configured, place a short test call to a friend or test line. Monitor audio, latency, and packet loss. If needed, switch codecs, enable jitter buffer, or move closer to the router to improve stability. Finish by setting defaults. Choose the VoIP app as primary calling app or mark Wi-Fi calling preferred in settings, and enable notifications so incoming calls wake the device. Make sure auto start and battery exemptions are set so the app stays registered. For troubleshooting, if calls drop or won't connect, check router NAT type and port forwarding for SIP/UDP. Try switching to 4 GHz versus 5 GHz, and temporarily disable VPNs. If registration errors persist, log out, reboot the device, and log back in to re-establish service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.